Renowned Indian lawyer Prashant Bhushan has warned that the Modi government is planning to carry out another Pulwama incident like false flag operation ahead of the Lok Sabha elections in 2024. Prashant Bhushan, addressing a gathering in New Delhi, cautioned the Indian nation about the Modi government's plan of trying to cook up the next Pulwama or Balakot attack yet again to sway the Indian voters towards voting for the BJP in the Lok Sabha elections of 2024. However, this time a malicious communal agenda is likely to investigate the previous highs of nationalism among the core BJP voters. The Muslim Lawyer Association and the South Africa Kashmiri Action Group have jointly launched a fresh complaint to the National Prosecuting Authority and the South Africa Police Service to arrest, investigate and possibly prosecute Modi for the war crimes his forces are committing in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The complaint spread over 600 pages, including records of witnesses and 200 FIRs, reports from occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The complaint contains detailed evidences of abduction, tortures, rapes, extrajudicial killings, arson attacks and illegal arrest of the political leaders and the innocent civilians. All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly denounced the arrest spree unleashed by the Indian Forces personnel across the occupied Kashmir to intimidate the Kashmiris into submission. The APHC leaders in their statements issued in Srinagar deplored that the Indian troops, police and dreaded agencies are continuing widespread crackdown operations and raids to terrorize the people of the territory. Working President of Indian National Congress in occupied Kashmir, Raman Bhalla, has said that the ground situation in the territory is contrary to the claims made by the Bharatiya Janata Party leadership about development and lasting peace. Raman Bhalla and other party leaders visited Kathua jail to meet the Yuva Rajput Sabha activists who have been arrested by the police during protests for abolition of a toll plaza at the Saror in Jammu. However, they were not allowed to meet the detainees. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter held a condolence reference in Islamabad today to pay tribute to the Hurriyat leaders Mushtaq Ahmad Wani and Abdul Ala on their death anniversaries. APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar presided over the meeting. The speakers on the occasion said that Mushtaq Ahmad Wani and Dr. Abdul Ala worked for the liberation of Kashmir. All parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that the iconic Kashmiri leader Sayyid Ali Gilani was a symbol of honesty, struggle and vision in the story of the Kashmir freedom movement. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar said this in a statement issued in Srinagar ahead of the second martyrdom anniversary of Sayyid Ali Gilani to be observed on 1st September. President People's Democratic Party Mehbooba Mufti has voiced her concerns regarding the toll taxes levied at the Saror in Jammu. Mehbooba Mufti in a tweet said that the Indian government is fleecing the people of Jammu by extorting sums of money in the guise of toll taxes at Saror. People continued massive protests in the Jammu region against extortion in occupied Jammu and Kashmir by Narendra Modi-led Indian government. The protests were held in Jammu, Samba, Hiranagar, Kathua, Udhampur, Rajouri, Ramban and other towns by the activists of the Yuva Rajput Sabha and supported by the members of various other social and political organizations.